Welcome to first video of table chapter. We could go to insert tab, table, and insert table from here, or insert table, or manually draw the table, or even we could convert from text to table. We could bring from the Excel spreadsheet, or use the quick tables pre-made versions. I just click on the insert table. On the insert table dialog box, we have table size, number of columns, number of rows, let's say 5 and 10, it is fine. And about fitting behavior, fix column width auto or specify any values number. I think auto it is fine. Or auto fit to contents based on your contents inside of cells. Or auto fit to window, which it does mean based on your page width before margins. And if you want to set these values as presets, you could enable remember dimensions for no tables and press OK. I create some sample text. I select my text, right click, copy, select entire cells, Control or Command V or right click and paste. Note that we have several types of selection and it is important. For example, if I select my cells here, you see it is selected the cells, and go back to the Home tab and align a center or right, that will affect it. But if I click on this four-sided arrows, to select entire table, as you see it is different, and then start aligning, that's not gonna apply to the content of table. Although, if I go to the layout tab, on the alignments, it will affect it. So that might be confusing in some cases. If you want to align from the regular alignment, you have to select entire cells, not the entire table. For resizing the table columns and rows, we have several options. I could grab any line and start dragging to resize, or from the ruler, grab it and start resizing. Also for rows, I could grab and resize the height. But note that if you want to break some sections, allow me to bring back. We could select these cells and then start dragging to break it. How we could bring it back? You could simply start grabbing and dragging. Usually they're snapping and getting fixed. But if in some cases didn't fix, allow me to select and break it. Maybe something like that. In some cases might be not working. If it is getting so close, yet it is not fixed, we could do by the features on the ribbon, or you could double click to fix it. Note that if I select my text here, or double click to select my text, and start resizing the column, it won't break. You have select at least one cell. This is not cell selection. There are a number of ways to do that. One method is go to the very left side. You see this icon here of my mouse pointer. Click, or triple click to select entire cell and then start breaking. You could resize entire table manually. Grab this very bottom right side and resize it. You could select any cells or rows and use the cell size, height, and width. Let me add some values. You see, before my 0.4 centimeter, it is not resizing because based on my text size. As an example, if I start decreasing text size, they will get shrinked. So if your cell size does not have any more space based on your text size, it won't get smaller. I'm going back to layout. Allow me to increase it. Also for width, you could set any value you want. Or we could use AutoFit. AutoFit based on your contents. Note that when we was creating a table on insert table and insert table, we had this auto-fit behavior fixed based on content or window. I selected again layout. So here, fit content, it totally depends on your content. If I start adding content here, you see it is getting wider or getting thinner. Let me select it. You don't need to select entire cell because it is working also. Click and fit window based on your page size before the margins. Or you could set the fixed column width, which by default it was, and you could do manually. And note that you could even go further. Note that I could grab my table and move it anywhere I want, maybe here. Although it is not the standard action yet, you can do that. And note this margin, it is not your document margin, it is about the table. If I click anywhere outside of table, that's your document margin.